If you're having problems with your oxygen sensors on your 2011, 2014 Dodge Chargers, and you're getting those P0138 codes and those other codes, I'm going to show you guys what I did. Now, I've been dealing with this for a very long time. Show you guys some proof, break it down. I've been dealing with this since December 30th of 2019. It is April 2021 as I'm making this video. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 rejections. I was rejected 7 times before I finally got the car passed on inspection. Now, how did I get the car passed on the inspection? This is what I had to do. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's come to the back. When you replace the oxygen sensors, the most important thing to do, the most important thing, is to make sure that the most important thing to do is when you get to replacing these O2 sensors, you have to replace them with the same exact ones as they are OEM when you got the car. You cannot go on eBay, buy one of these generic ones, or buy just anything that will fit in the car. It has to be the exact same part number. So this is the part number that was on mine that I pulled from the vehicle. I went ahead and I went on eBay and I searched that up and I bought a set of 4 from a vehicle that was being parted out. So these all look the same, but this one is different. This one, as you see, is a 321. This one is a 320. They look the same, they're not the same. So it's very important that you make sure you pull the right part number. If you do not do that, here's the thing: when these O2 sensors, when they heat up and they have to open and close, they have to do that in a certain amount of time for it to send the correct circuit to the computer. If it does not complete that circuit in a certain amount of time because you used the off-brand part, it's going to throw you those codes and you're going to fail your inspection every single time. Also, on these Dodges, these 2011 to 2014s, I told you guys this before in another video, you can check my channel, the oil pressure sensor is a high failure part. Dodge knows about this. There is not a recall on it. You're just going to have to do it yourself. I would say if you're watching this video, go ahead and do it now. Go ahead and just replace that now so you don't have to learn the hard way. That's a high failure part, and that's also going to throw you codes, and it may not always throw you the oil pressure code. I had to clear everything out several times. So I'm going to show you one last thing you need to get. Because when I say clear things out several times, I mean with this. I bought this what's it called? OBD2 scanner. This is how you reset your codes. This is how you see what's going on. You see what codes you're getting, so you don't have to keep running to the mechanic, and you can do it yourself. Like I said, I'm one of the least mechanically inclined people, and if I can get this car passed with my mechanic work, then anybody can do it. Trust me, anyone can do it. You'll be kicking yourself that you didn't do it yourself earlier, if you didn't work on your own cars earlier in life. So with that said, like I said, my vehicle passed. Very excited about that, and thank you for watching the video. Peace.